Hello everybody, and we are the team number 5, and we are going to present our final report in global markets. On the table of contents, we can identify that it is divided in 7 points. First, we have the strategic analysis represented in a business leading canvas. We can analyze that the company Drink2Go in the customer segment is focused in young and adults at least over 21 years. Also, the value proposition shows us that they produce 3 types of products: juice, energy drink, and soda, and to the goal of being one of the most important company in the economic hearing. Also, in the SWOT methodology, we conclude that the relationship between opportunities and weakness are focused on the production capacity and the problems that are related to the cost of production. His organization skills are good, however, they are not visible in production. Therefore, it will be important to reduce defective products, transport and storage costs, all related to logistical and operation issues.
2. Strategic analysis. Strength has management to spend in different countries. It has 2 factories in its main market, positioning in your target audience, and good distribution channel. When refers to weakness, we said heavy invest in marketing and commercialization, packaging contaminates and endangers biodiversity, poor products diversification, and water is a key input and is a limit. Referred opportunities we present in different countries, health-focused environment. Consumers are more concerned about their well-being and different channels. Finally, to the threats, populist government and economy recession. Morocco's economy is that of one emerging countries, competition from other brands, and low production of raw materials.
Returning to the expositions in terms of review per product obtained in the Drink2Go company, we can see reflected an increase in review from 2022 to 2026. Also, in terms of spending on brand promotion, it was decided to invest in promotion the brand in Spain, Portugal, France, Italy, and Central Europe. Something important to note is the decision to spend on products designed in the years 2026, where the company decided to bid on design in order to build customer loyalty. On the other hand, the company invested in progressively improving in industrial technology spread.
Marketing decision. For main decision we made. Product improvement. The product was customer in order to keep customer captive, attract new customer and meeting and differentiation is strategic. New market. We entered Central Europe in the order to increase our presence in the European market and generate new revenues. Sales force. We increase the remuneration of the sales team in the order to incentivize sales person and achieve the proposed objective. Promotion. We invest in point of the sale promotion activity and increase in revenue. Next.
Production and operation decisions. It is important to know that our target market includes people of any gender and a wide range of age. As a company, we position ourselves as an option to consider we looking for places to visit before making a purchase. This may be due to our track record in the market, favorite experience, recommendations, among other factors. However, this does not guarantee to our brand is firmly established in consumer minds. In terms of product quality, we strive to choose the best for our company, as this will enable us to track a greater number of customers. However, we recognize and the compositions has an advantage in turn on its price.
Continue with the finance decisions. The financial strategy to be followed by the company is called focus or segmentation, since it is aimed at a particular group of buyers who are the sectoral focus of clients that we are referring to in relation to our beverage that are in favor of the business benefit that we seek as a team. Of equal importance, we have chosen to accept a long-term loan since it was evaluated that through these aspects capital will be achieved. In addition to meeting the costs that are given, however, despite the low, we have obtained a low solvency. Likewise, the short-term loan was not an option for the company since we could have run out of immediate capital. Margin and margin over revenue ratio. The margin was calculated from the difference between revenue and the sum of all costs involved in production. The margin over revenue ratio was calculated by dividing both values, which gave 10%. Expense structure decreased by 20.5% compared to last year, in which all expenses plus depreciation were considered without including financial ones.
Talking about the learnings, optimize the production process and guarantee greater consistency in the quality of the products. This includes the acquisition of state-of-the-art machinery and equipment that allows for more efficient production with less margin of error. Marketing strategies. This will be allow adjusting the product offer and develop more effective marketing strategies. Inventory management. If current capacity is not sufficient to meet market and demand, consider expanding production facilities. Drink to go team implement the adequate strategies analysis in order to study the internal and external process of the company. Conclusions. Talking about the conclusions, for one of that is the team made decisions that were not risky but optimal, such as investing in research and develop of the ideal products that had a small positive impact, but in turn the action of the price of the product were not as expected. We concluded the company is in last to manage to gain greater value due to the fact that these years a relationship was so between operating expenses and revenue growth, thus make us have greater profitability.
Finalmente, podemos destacar que las estrategias que adoptamos como equipo beneficiaron significativamente a la empresa. Las estrategias y las decisiones tomadas en el área del marketing, de operaciones y de financiación nos permitieron, por supuesto, generar mayores ventas, posicionar el mercado y también generar que nuestros inventarios pudieran ser mejores utilizados. Sin embargo, esto no nos permitió estar en el primer puesto dentro de las ventas. Aún así, nosotros logramos estar dentro de las 5 primeras empresas en un mercado tan competitivo y difícil que es el de las bebidas. Gracias.